Hello, and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday evening, June 10th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of science news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Biomed news breaks. VERAXA Biotech AG and Voyager Acquisition Corp, NASDAQ Voyager, announce $1.6 billion business combination to create clinical-staged cancer therapy powerhouse. VERAXA Biotech AG and Voyager Acquisition Corp have announced a $1.64 billion business combination to create a clinical-stage cancer therapy powerhouse. VERAXA, a cancer therapy innovator, will merge with Voyager, with the combined company expected to trade on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol VERAX. VERAXA is advancing a bi-targeted antibody cytotoxicity platform for cancer therapeutics, with a pipeline featuring 9 programs and an active phase 1 trial in leukemia. Voyager will provide up to $253 million in cash to fund operations, while VERAXA is pursuing a crossover round expected to close before the deal's completion in Q4 2025. VERAXA was founded on breakthroughs made at the European Molecular Biology Laboratory. For more information, visit www.veraxa.com.
Mining News Breaks. ESGold Corp, ESCQB ESAUF, advances toward first production at Montauban project. ESGold Corp is making significant progress at its Montauban project in Quebec, with the successful installation of the Humphrey spirals for the gravity separation circuit. The system can process up to 1,000 tons per day of tailings for gold, silver, and mica recovery. Lab testing is underway to optimize recovery and reduce reagent use, with results expected soon. The company finalized its preliminary economic assessment, focusing on tailings material. ESGold is also set to release results from its ambient noise tomography survey and a new 3D geological model integrating seismic and historical data. CEO Paul Mastantuono emphasized the upcoming weeks as pivotal, aiming for a clean redevelopment model for legacy mining sites.
Medicus Pharma Ltd, MDCX, positioned for growth in a $5 trillion biotech market. Medicus Pharma Ltd, listed on NASDAQ as MDCX, is strategically positioned to capitalize on the $5 trillion biotech market driven by the aging global population and technological advancements in biomedical research. The biotechnology sector is projected to grow at a CAGR of 12.5%, with specialty pharmaceuticals expected to expand even faster at 26.5%. Medicus Pharma is focusing on innovative drug delivery platforms and targeted therapies to address health challenges in both human and veterinary medicine. Recently, the company completed a $7 million public offering and submitted a product plan to the FDA for a veterinary application targeting equine squamous cell carcinoma. With promising safety and efficacy data from clinical trials, Medicus Pharma is poised for significant growth in the biopharma market.
Investor news breaks. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd, NASDAQ FMST, CFAT, secures permit for Athabasca Basin uranium exploration. Foremost Clean Energy Ltd, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FMST and on the CSE under FAT, has secured a 3-year exploration permit for its CLK property in the Athabasca Basin. This permit, valid through December 2027, allows for up to 30 drill holes and ground geophysics. The company plans to kick off a fully funded exploration program in Q3 2025, focusing on high-priority targets like the CLGD1 hole, which previously revealed 8,600 parts per million uranium. CEO Jason Barnard emphasized the strategic importance of CLK, originally staked by Denison Mines, and highlighted the significance of recent geophysical survey results in refining drill planning. Foremost Clean Energy is poised to capitalize on the increasing demand for uranium as the world shifts towards decarbonization and nuclear power. Celebrity announcements of breast cancer underscore increasing prevalence in younger women. Recent celebrity announcements of breast cancer diagnoses highlight the increasing prevalence of the disease among younger women in America. Factors such as environmental, lifestyle, and genetics may be contributing to this rise. It is crucial to develop effective treatments. Companies like Kalidi Biotherapeutics Inc., NY American, CLDI, are actively working towards this goal. BioMedWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions for companies to reach a wide audience of investors, influencers, and consumers.
GeoVax announces upcoming presentation at the European Hematology Association 2025 Congress, highlighting positive immune response data for GeoCM04S1 in CLL patients. GeoVax Labs Inc. will present clinical data for its COVID-19 vaccine candidate, GeoCM04S1, at the EHA 2025 Congress. The presentation will focus on the improved immune response in CLL patients compared to an mRNA-based vaccine. The Phase 2 trial results show promise for GeoCM04S1 in populations with suboptimal protection. Dr. Kelly T. McKee, Jr., Chief Medical Officer, emphasized the importance of addressing the real-world needs of patients with hematologic malignancies. GeoCM04S1, a multi-antigen vaccine, aims to provide broader and more durable immune protection and is currently in Phase 2 trials for both immunocompromised and healthy adults. GeoVax Labs is dedicated to developing novel vaccines against infectious diseases and therapies for solid tumor cancers.
Alfa Cytology starts comprehensive development services for PARP inhibitors, aimed at advanced cancer treatment. Alfa Cytology, a prominent player in oncology, has introduced PARP inhibitors development services, marking a major advancement in cancer treatment capabilities. These services specialize in diagnostic development for drugs that show promise in targeting cancers with genetic mutations like BRCA1 and BRCA2. By engineering personalized therapeutic solutions that match the distinct molecular characteristics of tumors, scientists aim to increase treatment success and minimize healthy tissue damage. Alfa Cytology harnesses advanced biotechnological platforms to make the PARP inhibitor development process more efficient, using high-throughput screening methods and advanced molecular biology technologies. Throughout the development stages, the company implements rigorous quality assurance protocols to ensure each potential treatment receives comprehensive safety and efficacy testing.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.